In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier's formatter for text, dates, and times. We'll walk through this together, and by the end, you'll feel confident navigating and using these features. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Zapier. If you haven't used it before, Zapier is a fantastic tool for automating workflows between different apps and services. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the option to log in. You'll find this typically at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Log In, and if you already have your credentials handy, go ahead and enter them. If you're new, you'll need to create an account, which is straightforward and just requires a few details. Once you're inside the platform, the next step is to navigate to your Zapier home. This is your control center, where you can see all your current workflows, or, as they call them, Zaps. Moving around this area, you'll find several options, but for today, we're focusing on something specific. Look towards the navigation bar and click on Zaps. This will take you to your collection of workflows. Now, you'll see a list of your Zaps. From here, choose one that you'd like to edit or set up. Select a Zap that's relevant to the type of automation you're hoping to set up or modify. Once you've selected a Zap, we're going to focus on integrating a formatter into it. Next, click on the app that's associated with your Zap. Think of this as connecting a bridge between different services, where the formatter acts as a tool to manipulate data into the format you need. Now, among the available options, find and click on Formatter. This is where the magic happens. The Formatter app provides options to transform text, change date and time formats, and much more. The formatter is particularly useful when you need specific modifications to your data. Perhaps you have text that needs to be trimmed down, or maybe a date that needs to be displayed in a different format. By clicking on Formatter, you're equipped with those very capabilities. To sum up, using Zapier's formatter requires a simple, step-by-step process. By logging in, navigating to your Zaps, choosing one to edit, and then integrating the formatter app, you open up a world of possibilities to tailor your workflow exactly as you need it. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial on using Zapier's formatter for text, dates, and times. With these skills, you can enhance how your data flows between apps and services. Be sure to explore the different formatting options available to make your automated tasks even more efficient.